Hey, come on in. Bellmy Cherry here. So excited to be here once again. I'm coming in with the face somewhat done. Eyes prepped up because we got palettes on top of palettes to review. Coming in, reviewing our new Juvia's Place palette, the Garden of Juvia's bad boy right here. We're gonna dive right into it. And additional to that, we have our blush volume 1. I've been hunting down the other volumes 3, 4, 5, and 6 that they newly came out with. My stores already are sold out of these blushes. So I went ahead and grabbed me the volume 1, and I went back to try to see if I could get the other ones, at least 2 more, to 4, 5, and 6, or 4 and 5, the 2 last ones. They ran out. So we're gonna go ahead and put these 2 products here to work. I have on the base Juvia's only products, the setting powder, my good old Gobi, and my bronzers here, both tan and the dark one, and our concealers and all that, all those goodies. I did create a full face of Juvia's Place product. I'll put the card up top for you guys to see, the products on the face as I was applying it. So we're coming in ready. If you're new here, welcome. Make yourself feel comfortable. Don't forget to subscribe while you're here. And for those who are coming back, love and kisses to you all. Thank you so much for your support. I appreciate you guys so much. So let's dive into the palette first, and then we're gonna finish off the face with the blush. Garden of Juvia's. This palette confuses me. I don't know what to do, where to go, how to begin. Okay, so I started out the face before coming in, and I didn't like the base, so I wiped off everything. So I'm coming in now to share with you guys with a different base, and I'm using the jumbo stick or jumbo crayon of NYX, the pure white one, 604 milk. Just because the previous shade was more like my skin tone, and the shades are not really coming through on my skin color, like my skin. So I'm giving it something else, a much lighter, whiter shade to pop out more. And I think that's the best bet using these shades. So I'm gonna go in with Sweet Lilac, which is this lavendery shade on the outer part, and I'm gonna use Peony, or perhaps let me use Marigold on the inner part, and then we're gonna pop some shimmers. I really thought this was gonna be a 1 and 2 shades and done with, but I'm getting a different vibe right now. So let's dive in. Sweet Lilac, I'm gonna pat that shade on the outer part. Definitely shows much more with this base. So we do that, right? And blend it out. Very blendable, look at that. And then step on the same shade. Like so. So we do that on the outer part using the same brush. I'm going in with Marigold on the inner part. Can't wait to see how that yellow pops. That yellow needs more building up. But it's really pretty. So the yellow on the outer part, the inner part, and then the lilac on the outer part. Let's figure out what I'm gonna do. Let me use Peony, or let me use Lucky Clover. Why not? Peony is too safe. Using the same brush I wiped off the Marigold. Lucky Clover is that green here. I'm gonna put that on the inner part. Wish me luck. Oh wow. It's really pretty. I did not expect what I'm doing here. I don't know. What the hell? What the hell is wrong with me? I just said 1 and 2 shades. I did not expect to do all this situation here. Now, for each of the shades, there are some shimmers to them. I'm going to go with my finger into Flower Child over the purpley matte shade, Money Tree, or Best Buds. Let's use Best Buds, and then we're gonna use Sunshine on the inner part over the yellow. So we're gonna do this. I'm using this. No, I'm gonna use this purple rather, which is Purple Orchid. I know I did say this one, but Purple Orchid would be better. It's deeper. Purple Orchid over the purple matte. Best Buds, this right here on the middle part, and then Sunshine on the inner part. Let's get to it. Let me use my finger first. I have an issue with these shimmers. Like it really looks, look how pretty it is, but it's stuck on my finger. And look, it's not really picking up. It's so pressed into the pen. Okay, I guess y'all see it. It's really pretty. And I'm gonna go into Best Bud. Oh my God. For the inner part, I'm gonna need the help of a brush to get it into the inner part of the eye. Sunshine, I'm going in with my brush dry. It did pick it up. Ooh. Oh, wow. For the first time, the brush actually applies the shade better than my finger. I'm gonna go back over all the shades with the brush and see. This is so pretty, you guys. Ah. Ooh. Wiping that off. Let me go over Money Tree. No, Best Bud. Using the same brush. Really did pick it up. And I wonder, oh wow, how these would have been moist, like with a wet brush. It's really picking up. Everything works well with each other. Everything blends well with each other. I'm gonna go with Oh Honey just over the outer part to lightly blend out the edges of the shades. That's pretty. Oh, I was really scared of this palette. I didn't expect this from this palette. This is stunning. Okay, let's finish off the other eye and we'll be back. Okay, to finish off with the lower lash line, let's use Peony. We're technically using each shade range on here. Let me go into Peony and call it a day. I'm just gonna do one swipe and we're good to go. Peony is this soft pink shade right here. It's really soft. Y'all see how barely Peony shows? That's exactly how the issue was over the lid. But if I were to apply the paste underneath the lid, the lower lash line, the pink from Peony would have picked up more. I don't want to make a mess with my concealer and everything, so I'm just gonna leave it like that. It's like a nice soft you know, hue of pink. Perhaps I could just go with a lilac hue as well on the outer part to kind of deepen it up a little more. But all the colors are light and fresh. And I'm gonna leave it just like that. I need to do some cleaning up around the eye and we'll be done, okay? And I'll be back for the blush. All right, I am back. Lashes are on, mascara's on, and we're coming in to finalize the face using the blush, the fun part. And I will just be doing my lips using one of their older lip gloss or lipstick situation. So going into these blushes, I really wanted to use, so this one is the volume 1 blush. So they originally came out with volume 1 and volume 2. I was sleeping out on it until they came with 3, 4, 5, and 6, and now it's just people going crazy for these blushes, and I finally decided to go and get that one. I want to go into, I want to use this shade, or even both, why not? It's really not coming as orangey or corally as I expected it, but we got some color out of it. Can y'all see it? Let me go into that deep berry one. It's like 2 different shades, but oh, now that one pack a punch. Oh yeah, I was missing out. Let me use the orangey closer to the under eye. I really was missing out. Can't wait till I get my hands on the other ones. I don't know if you guys could see it, but it's really pretty. So pretty. Let me set my face, y'all, and then go into the lips. I'm gonna use this e.l.f. all day blue light or whatever spray. We're gonna let this dry and let's go on to the lips. So for the lips, I'm using their brownie lip liner going into Nubian Sand. This was from their previous collection. This one. I mean, these lipsticks, you guys, I don't ever want to go through these designs. It's so chic, looks stunning on the lips. I think I could line my lip a little bit more. So pretty. So this is it, you guys. So here it is, my loves. We are all done. I did not expect the shadows to be, I expected them to be light and airy, but on me, I was really looking to have troubles with them appearing on my skin tone. But thank goodness for our little makeup technique here, using that pure white base and giving the shades more of a background to shine through. And we have this on the lid. You guys, these shimmers over these matte shades was immaculate. I did not expect, number one, I always use my fingers using the shimmers with regular shade eyeshadows, but this one, surprisingly, it pops once I swatch it on the finger, but the delivery worked best with a brush. I didn't have any trouble applying it using this. This one was like, this is a BH Cosmetic brush from their Rose Quartz set. This little compact brush here really picked up and applied seamlessly all of the shimmers on top of the matte, and I did not need to mist the brush in order for them to shine through. So that was a plus. I love me this palette. I really was intimidated. I'm like, oh my god, what is this gonna do? I really wanted to just pop a matte all around and then a shimmer over the matte, and that's it. But we took it to another level. Hopefully you guys enjoyed watching this eye being created. The blush palette, also love. I can see why the people are going crazy for it. It is soft, it is pigmented. This is the corally shade. Of course, with my skin tone, it sank into the skin tone, but this shade popped, it came through. So I used both of the shades on the face, like marinating everything, and we have this all done today. And on the lips, Juvia's Place. Literally, Juvia's everywhere, okay? Nubian Sand from their previous collection. This one is yeah, the new Nubian Sand. The Nubian Sand collection, and the lipstick is also Nubian Sand, along with their brownie lip liner, and we call it a day. Love, enjoyed. Did not expect this eye look to come through as such. Let me know what you guys think in the comments below. We're gonna call it a day. I thank you all for watching. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't done so thus far. And I'll see you guys on the next one. Bye-bye.